Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of refraction. The question is a plain glass plate is placed over various colored letters. The colors are violet, green, yellow and red. The letter which appears to be raised more is option A red, option B yellow, option C green, option D violet. So first of all we see what is given to us. Given is different colors. There are violet, green, yellow and red. And now we see diagrammatically what the question wants to. This is a glass plate which is placed on colored letter. This is a colored letter. Then if we see from vertically upward, the light will go straight, and if we see at certain angle, then light will refract and bend away. Now if I produce this, the image will be formed here. This is object and say this is point A. So OI is shift, or you can say shift or raised. So here AI is apparent depth and AO is real depth and IO is shift, which is equals to AO minus AI. Now we see what formula to be used for apparent depth. Apparent depth AI is equals to real depth upon refractive index. Therefore, shift will be equals to real depth minus real depth upon refractive index, which is equals to real depth into 1 minus 1 upon mu. Now we see solution for this question. Solution. Now we know that wavelength of red is more than wavelength of yellow is more than wavelength of green is more than wavelength of violet. And since refractive index is inversely proportional to wavelength, therefore refractive index of red is less than refractive index of yellow is less than refractive index of green is less than refractive index of violet. Since refractive index of violet color is minimum and shift is equals to real depth into 1 minus 1 upon mu. So mu, if it is minimum, then we have to subtract maximum. But if mu is maximum, then we have to subtract minimum. So mu is maximum for mu v is maximum. Therefore, 1 upon mu is minimum. Therefore, shift is maximum. Therefore, what is our answer? Shift of violet color is maximum. That is option D is correct. Now we see in the question our option. The option D is correct. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.